Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete your Phantom Wallet account using your mobile devices. To delete your Phantom Wallet account using your mobile app, first of all, open up the Phantom application on your mobile device. Before deleting your wallet, make sure you have securely saved your 12-word recovery phrases. If you don't know how to back up your secret recovery phrases, then check out our other videos on the channel. After you are sure that you've backed up your secret recovery phrase, tap on the account drop-down at the top left. Now click on the gear icon at the top right corner from your Accounts tab. Tap on Security and Privacy from the Settings menu and tap on Reset App at the bottom. Since there is no specific Delete Account button, the Reset and Wipe option will be able to remove your account from Phantom Wallet. Confirm your removal by tapping Continue, and that is how you will be able to delete your wallet using your mobile application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.